Is anyone else's skin just feeling blah, dry and a little dull and just begging for some life? I was right there with you until I started using this incredible simple 100% natural avocado face mask. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make it so you can get this revitalized, glowing skin to stay tea. But first, why avocado? It is not just for toast people. Avocado is a total skincare superfood. It's loaded with healthy fats and oils that mimic our skin's natural lipids, meaning it moisturizes on a deep cellular level. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants like vitamins C and A that fight free radical damage and can help soothe inflammation. It's basically nature's perfect moisturizer. Here is the best part. You probably have most of this in your kitchen right now. Here is what you will need. The first one rip avocado, the star of the show, raw honey, a natural humectant that draws moisture into the skin and has antibacterial properties. The other one is a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is lactic acid, gently exfoliates and brightens. For a vegan option, just use oat milk. And just a few drops of lemon juice for a touch of brightening and to help tighten pores. If you have sensitive skin, you can skip this. For tools, you will just need a small bowl, a fork for mashing and a spoon for applying. How to make the mask step by step. Now, for the fun part, let's make it. It is so easy. First, cut your avocado in half. Remove the pit and scoop the flesh into your bowl. Now, just mash it with your fork until it's nice and smooth. No big chunks. Next, add in your honey, about 1 tablespoon. Then your yogurt, another tablespoon. And finally, just about a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix it all together until it forms a smooth, green, creamy paste. And look at that, it is ready to use. Before you apply this, make sure your face is clean and dry. You can use your fingers or a brush to apply a nice, even layer all over your face and the neck. Avoid the delicate eye area. Now, here is a pro tip. Relax for 15 up to 20 minutes. Let the mask really sink in and do its magic. You might feel a slight tingle from the yogurt and lemon. That's just them working. It is the perfect time to just unwind. Do you want to mix it up? Here are some easy variations. For oily, acne-prone skin, swap the yogurt for more lemon juice or a bit of bentonite clay to help absorb excess oil. For extra soothing, add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to really calm irritated skin. For dry, mature skin, add a teaspoon of olive oil or almond oil for an extra boost of hydration. So now I recommend using this mask 1 or 2 times a week for truly revitalized glowing skin. It's cheap and all natural, and it honestly works better than so many store-bought masks I have tried. If you give this avocado mask a try, please send me a picture on Instagram or leave a comment down below telling me how it worked for you. I love seeing you results. And if you enjoyed this dry skincare video, do me a big favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy natural beauty tips every single week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.